I bet you've never heard of this function before, but stick around and I'll show you how powerful and simple it is.
I've got this table of employees and want to return these details as I select different employee numbers. Open DGET. The database is simply the entire table below. If you're using a traditional range, then you'll need to press F4 to fix the referencing. Type a comma to move on to the field argument. This is the column we want to return the value from in the database. So this needs to be C2. It's important that the two headers are exactly the same, otherwise it will return an error. The last argument is the criteria. For this, we need to select both the employee number heading and the employee number itself. This tells the function what column to look in and the value it needs to find. As we will copy this across, I'll press F4 to fix the cell referencing. The reason this is a great alternative lookup function is that it's dynamic. Say instead of salary, I now wanted department. I just need to change the header here and it automatically updates. Another bonus of using DGET is it already has a wildcard feature built into it. Say I can't remember the last name of the employee. We can set up the DGET function the same as before, where the database is the table, the field is the column we want the return value from, and the criteria is the column and value we want to look for. Again, make sure you fix the cell referencing where needed. This returns the correct result, however, only if you enter the name which comes first. It doesn't work if you're looking for the second part of the name instead. Other limitations are that you can't return multiple entries by copying down. You need to create a separate section with the headers again.
This does make a great alternative to functions like XLOOKUP and index match, as it's a really simple function to build, but just be aware of a couple of those limitations. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.